Hi. In this video we will go through some AWS Developer Associate DVA-C01 practice exam questions. With the ideal thing that it gives you an insight to how the real exam looks like. Without further ado, let's get started. Question 1. By default, Amazon S3 encrypts your data at the object level as it writes it to disks in its data centers and decrypts it when someone accesses it as long as the request is authenticated. Now, you need to add an extra layer of audit trail that shows when your customer master keys, CMK, was used and by whom. Which option will you choose to manage the encryption keys? Question 2. For compliance purposes, you need to assess how well your resource configurations comply with internal practices, industry guidelines, and regulations. Which of the following tools will you use to meet the requirement? Question 3. You are building an application that will be hosted in ECS which needs to be configured to run its tasks and services using the Fargate launch type. The application will have 4 different tasks where each task will access various AWS resources that are different from the other tasks. Which of the following solutions can provide your application in ECS access to required AWS resources? Question 4. Many companies that distribute content over the internet want to restrict access to documents, business data, media streams or content that is intended for selected users such as users who have paid fee. What they can do to securely serve this private content over the internet. Question 5. You are working on a project that uses Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Standard Edition for a database. To add an extra layer of security, you need to configure the DB to encrypt data before it is written to storage, and automatically decrypts data when the data is read from storage. Which of the following actions will you follow to achieve this?